Real World English.
My name is Mima. I am 14 years old. I live in New York, USA. I study at Lincoln High School. I am in Class 8. My favorite subject is science. My father's name is Robert. He is a doctor. My mother's name is Jennifer. She is a teacher. I have one younger brother. His name is Daniel. He is 10 years old. My hobby is playing basketball. My favorite American food is cheeseburger. I also like pizza and hot dogs. My best friend's name is Ethan. We play together after school. I want to be an engineer in the future. I am happy to meet you all.